Monsoon's knocking, and there's no better way to welcome it than with not one but two soul-warming bowls: Chicken Shorba and Chicken Noodle Soup. Think of this as your rainy day ritual, the kind that fills your kitchen with comfort and your bowl with flavor. It all starts with the foundation, a rich homemade chicken stock. Roughly chop a couple of carrots and onions. In a deep pot, heat some oil and toss in garlic cloves, peppercorns, those veggies, curry cut chicken pieces, and fresh coriander stems. Let it all sizzle and don't shy away from a little char. Those caramelized edges bring in depth. Pour in enough water to cover, season with some salt, and let this simmer away. As it cooks, the aroma starts to wrap around you like a blanket. Once done, strain the golden broth and set it aside. Now let's talk chicken shorba, the kind of dish that feels like home in a bowl. To make this, start by grinding a paste with garlic, ginger, peppercorns, cumin, sambar onions, and coriander. In another pot, melt some ghee and add whole spices like cloves, cinnamon, star anise, and cardamom. As they crackle, add in ginger garlic paste and finely chopped onions. Saute till they are soft and fragrant, then goes in the chicken, followed by that freshly ground masala. Stir everything together, pour in the chicken stock, season it, and let it simmer until the chicken is cooked through and the broth thickens slightly. Next up is the chicken noodle soup. Heat some oil in a deep pan and saute onions, ginger garlic paste, and napa cabbage until it turns soft and fragrant. Add a hint of brown sugar, a splash of soy sauce, fish sauce, and vinegar. Build that umami flavor and then drop in some chicken, followed by that same chicken stock you made earlier and your favorite noodles. Let it all bubble together until the noodles soak up all the flavor and the chicken is tender. A final garnish of coriander and a squeeze of lemon, and your shorba is ready to warm both your hands and your heart. Finish with some crushed pepper on top, and here you have it: 2 steaming bowls, 1 cozy evening, and a monsoon made just right. Follow IFN for more monsoon specials.